Okay. Hello. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is a Sunday, and I just wanna back test a bit of gold, right? So, I wanna back test gold. So, I wanna create a new session. Course. I'm still in bed. If you actually wondering, and let's say we start off with a 50K account. Right, so we start off with a 50K account. And select the pay, it's gold. We also have next. Nasdaq and USD. So look at gold, and we want to treat the session of April 2019. Select the 1st of April on April Fool. And just say, yeah, we're back testing, nothing special. We're just trying to be in tune. Alright, save session, and then it starts. Right, so there we go. So we're just going to the monthly time frame first. Top down analysis. Give a couple of years data and map off some key highs and key lows. So clearly, market was trending. We broke character here, trade to the upside, retraced, pushed back up. Right. So I'll say the market is perhaps bullish in this region. So we made those two highs. Alright, just like that. So market was in a downtrend. We changed character right here. There's only changed character in that's exactly when we changed character. Alright. Broke to the upside, retraced down, pushed back to the upside, came back, took liquidity that was resting here. Because market had not achieved their 50%. And what I mean by that is the market was running down to the first push to the upside. Right here. Market didn't come back to 50. Didn't come back to 50. Almost did, but didn't come back. And then finally pushed the upside. So this leg is the one that actually drew back into 50 and then managed to go up. But then as we went up, so I'm saying if we're going to respect this low, right, our next target is to take out buy side that's resting here. And when we came down, we took buy side that was resting here. So let me map that. We took out, there is supposed to be buy side resting here. And clearly we took out buy side there, we injected into it, sold shorts, and pushed back up, right? And then finally we failed to break through above this high, because this high was made in 2016, it's 2019. Failed to break that high and we read it low. As we read it low, we collected sell orders that were resting here. We took out the sell side that was resting here. This sell side was taken, and this sell side was taken. and the sell side here was also taken. Alright, so it's just about trying to see where the market will magnetize to next, right? Alright, so this is my higher time frame short analysis. So clearly, what do we have? We clearly have sell side resting here. I mean buy side resting above there, right? And what else do we have? We also have sell side resting here. We have sell side up below here, and we also have sell side here, right? So those are points of interest. And I also like to believe that since the market is rallying up, also have sell side right there. Right, so this is a major sell upside, right? So I'm gonna flag it to a different color. Let me flag it to red. So this is all-time bullishness, right here. And this is the all-time important one. Alright, so we have these two. So the market so far, I would say it's ranging in between this region right here. The market is ranging. It's ranging between that high and this low. Alright. And then extend this so that we're in the same direction. Right there. So what I can say is we have a premium, the red part, and we have a discount, the gray part, right? So I want to be buying in discount, and although I'm targeting to take out buy side here, I would rather be shorting in premium. I wouldn't want to be buying in this region. I would rather short so that if it can come back here, then I could buy it. Or if it comes back into these bullish order blocks here, right there, I could tap into a buy. But so far, what I can see, there's a change in character there. So I would rather go short. And this is the first 1, 2, 3. This is the first chance we have to go bullish. So if price retraces into 50% of that level, I'm gonna short. So I'll mark off the highs there of that weekly candlestick as the high. And so far the low is right there. So I wanna go short, hoping that we'll take out those highs. Now, is this a good region to be selling short? First of all, let's double check. So boom, boom, boom. I've got this trend line right here. There we go. And looks like the trend line is sort of valid. trend line is valid. Now, looking left, what do we have here? Clearly have some pretty shoulder block that was finally taken out when the sell orders were resting right there, got taken out. So I would say that yes, yeah, that's a bullish order block, bearish order block right there. And then looking left again, we didn't take out orders here. So clearly we've got buy side resting above here and buy side here there. So what I can say is where we closest. We were so close to this buy side here, and we're also close to this buy side here, and this is where we are. So any retracement, I would expect it to hold this one just to take out maybe some orders, but it shows that the market wants to take out these two. So going long would be ideal, but since we're in premium, we'd rather go short. But depends. So let's jump into the daily time frame and let's see what we have. So we adjust this trend line. Alright, there. But I always want to map it to the extreme. So I'll say we got 2 right there. Some people will do this, but I feel like it's once a trend line is moving following a channel, you don't have that true trend line. It's only like in channels. That's what I believe. That's how I trade. Let me just reset this. Right, so ICT says if you're in the daily, you should have at least 9 months of data view. And yeah, there we go. So clearly this is our downtrend. We shifted to an uptrend. And now we're in this region. Market rallied back up, sold short. Now we can see this is our first time because our order block was created here, didn't take out the low, so any rally up we could try to sell short. So let's mark off these daily highs. That's a daily high right there. And looks like we might have a fair value gap right in there. So we want to see the market rally up and at least into 50%, which is right here of this candlestick. Then we can short. We can continue going short because the market hasn't taken out buy side here. So we can expect a retracement. Maybe one that can go fill in this bearish order block right here. And then we can short, or we short somewhere in here, but it depends. So let's continue jump into a smaller time frame for our right. So we want to see a push to the upside, maybe possibly buying in this region. But there's these mitigation blocks. Continuation channel right there. So any push to the upside will be in our favor. And then we sell short. And we've taken out buy side resting here, except this one. So if we manage to not sweep this one, it means we're gonna juice up and sell short. So let me also mark off the fair value gap right here. Right. So got the 1 hour. Now you should have at least 3 days of data for you. Right, so clearly we have a changing character in the 1 hour. If we are gonna push to the upside, then so this is where usually I get it wrong, right? Because clearly we trying to push down and market is running down. But sometimes I would want to fight the trend, right? Why would I want to fight the trend? Because I can see that we've got an order block here. But to what extent are we going to rally up, right? To what extent? It's not certain. And remember what it looked like in the daily. This is where we are. So I can't expect there to be a reversal. Yes, it can, since we've got a bullish order block right here. But can you see this is clearly a changing character. We broke out here. Now on the sell side, we're on the sell side, remember, and anything on the sell side we sell, right? So we don't want to be bullish. That'll be buyers, and then we go back into the 1 hour. So in the daily, what we want to do is see price rally back into these areas. So the first trend line above and above there. So the first trend line is this. Want to see price swoop up this high, push back up, and then now we could go short. So any leg that's going to be created here is the one that we want. Now let's go into the 15. Is our 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we believe market is going to rally up. Let's see if we're going to go long. How would that be in our favor? We'll go long, put our stop just below there, and then target the retracement, where the retracement would be from this up to this down. If we expect price to retrace somewhere in here, then we could put our profit target just below that 2x, and we would have 1 to 2. So for experimental positions, we're gonna risk much less. So of the whole account size, it's a $5,000 account, and we always risk not 1% but 0.7%. Now since it's we're going against the trend, we'll use 0.35%. Place the trade, and then let's play this. But however, we want to be selling short in this region, so I'll just map it out for you. This is first low, second low. So I think our trend line is going like this. Then we map it up to the extremes. Like this. So I expect maybe the market to come back into this channel if it can, but if it fails, it's okay. So yeah, I expect pullback. Now let's play this. And I'm not considering any news events or anything like that. If there's news events, it's just gonna sweep me out or take me out, or either of them. Okay, so market is just consolidating, rally down. Will it take me out? I don't know. But we tapped into this bullish order block right here. So the market is just ranging, pushing to the upside. There we go, there we go. There we go. Now let's see, can we capitalize further? Okay, so from this perspective, we have this high and this low. Market is ranging. Now pause. Market is ranging from this high to this low, and within that region, this is discount. Between this high and that low, 50% is right here. So it dipped further into discount. Now we can say this is a head, shoulder, head, shoulder. So now look at the retracement right here into that order block. I'll buy that. So I'll place another buy right there. Put my stop below that head, and then target this part. So the target would be like this. The target would be like this. The retracement happened here today to right there. So 2 times somewhere here. So I'm gonna target this high, just like that. And then that's a 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna open my risk more now because I can see the trend place, and then play that shit. Okay, almost taking out the lows right here. Will you take me out? I think it's gonna take me out. Almost take me out. Will you take me out in this trade as well? So I wanna see a change of character right there, and then we buy. There's our change of character. Let's wait for the retracement. As the retracement, boom, pause right there. Go long again. And now we know where we're targeting. We're definitely targeting these highs. Why? Because look at the retracement. It went deep. And remember, we're just still ranging. This is the low and this is the high. So we're ranging. All we're doing right now is just ranging. So let's accommodate a bigger stop. So rather put our stop at the low, right? And then try to take out these highs right here. So let's put in our entry open. So far 2 L's, right? 2 L's. Let's see. That's another L. So I should open another trade because I believe that trade will work. Now we've got 2 trades playing out. So when we're in the discount region, right? We're in deeper discounts. and we did check out the low here, but we swooped them out. So clearly it's pause. I feel like we aren't actually pushing to the buy side. It's more of the buy side. Yeah, buy side is resting there, and we tapped into it. So I'd like to see a retracement deeper into here. So since I have two positions, I can just say okay, but that's another trade. We could take a retracement into deeper into there. Let's play it. Alright, can you see this is where we broke buy side, so a retracement into there, it's gonna be a favorable trade as well. Like that one, boom, stop right there. That retracement, we can take it. And then where do we put our stop? Put our stop just below the leg that caused the breakout. And since this is a riskier entry, I won't target so much because the lot size will do the trick for me, right? I'll just target these highs right here. So it's a 1.2, but when I open the position, I'm gonna risk more because the same risk percentage with that account will be a $350 loss, but will be a bigger profit target if it just hits there. So we have a tight stop loss on one of the trades. We tagged in. Okay. I shouldn't get tagged out. Should rally up because our next target is to hit these highs. Take out these highs right here. And then hopefully go and check out this high right here. So let's fast forward it. Alright, so we're creating a wedge pattern. Let's pause right there. Sort of creating a wedge pattern. It's not the best pattern that we want, but if we can analyze this wedge pattern, we can see that it sort of is like this, right? And from my analysis, I could say that we have already shifted right to the sell side. So it's rather skeptic, so I would wait. I wouldn't want to see some of these kilos getting violated, right? Some of these kilos are violated, then I'm not going to consider the trade anymore. But yeah, let me just hold on. Let's see. Okay, let's see if that low will be violated. No, it wasn't. Let's further push this trend line so that you can see how it might be respected in the future. Let's go. So we are in this, we're in an order block right here. I mean, fair value gap right there. But I don't think that fair value gap will hold. Pushing to the upside. Alright. Let's pause right there. So we clearly have this bullish order block right here. And if it taps into it, maybe that's the one will take us home. But we don't want to see a change in character violating that low. And yeah, so far, yeah, just like that. Okay, got a penetration, close back into it, closed above, come back. When I see if market rallies lower than that, then we're gonna, okay, rallied in. I think we're still safe. So now we should take out this sell side. If we don't take out this sell side, if we, let me pause. See what the market has done there, right? It came back into this fair value gap and it has created a partial low here, right? It has created that low right there. And that's a change in character, right? We could say that's a change in character, right? Right there. But then we also have this high that it has made. So within this range, the market is ranging, right? So this is discount and this is premium. But if the market rallies up and doesn't take out this high and then the rally is lower, then it confirms that we're going to the downside, and then now any region that will penetrate into this one, I could just say maybe it's a retracement to push higher, of course, but retracing back deeper than this, it's not going to be a good sign for me. So far I've got 800 on the line. But we wanted to take out this one so that we can be clear that, so let's wait and see what happens there. Boom, that's a strong bullish. Can you see? Strong bullish. So we're gonna stick with the trade and we're gonna target the retracement of this in the short-term perspective. This retracement right there. So it means this trade, and remember this is where the other high is. Whose high was this? Whose high was this? Let's look at him. This is the high that's resting there, right? So if we tweak that, we're gonna tweak this one as well, right? Because that's the weekly high, this one. So let's continue. Let's bring this one lower. And I'll bring this take profit lower. At least just capitalize there. Let's play it. Boom, that's a further retracement. I could have bought there again. I would have bought there again. I'm serious. I would have bought because the market shows me that it wants to rally high, collecting orders so that it can rally higher than that. It has to be bullish. Okay. Tapped into this. Might take me out. So right now I have to be cautious. So that's the kind of like problem of like waiting for trades to pan out. Sometimes they keep inducing. So now we clearly have buy side. Yeah, if we take out that buy side, then I'm pretty sure now we can reach those levels. Usually I won't be in a trade this long, but I'm just playing out the mentality that I had on this trade to see also whether some targets are realistic. Okay, so clearly we just ranging. Let me put a 15-minute with boom, got taken out both trades. So clearly, let's reflect and let's learn, right? We said we were in premium. Am I right or wrong? Restart the video. Yes, we said we were in premium and we wanted to buy up until we reach discount, further premium. Alright. Oh shit, but I forgot something. I fucking forgot something. I was fighting the market, bro. Dead ass. I was fighting the market. Why was I fighting the market? Let me explain. You see this? When we started, when we started, we were somewhere above here, but we didn't make this low yet. So this is a fair value gap, and we didn't retrace lower. So any push to the upside, that was gonna be in this region right here, which is that high in this. I was supposed to take a short, put my stop above, and sell to target this. So that's a big L for me, a big L. And I know that's part of the plan, but I didn't think of it like that. Yeah, so we should have been going short, bro. Going short all the way. Alright, so clearly we're going for sell side now. Only buy if there's a change in character. Oh my god. Just when you give up, because it just tagged into the low of the week and shot back up. And there was news. So gold be ranging sometimes. Okay, so that's the low of the week. That's the high of the week. And it's gonna now reach my profit targets here that I made. Boom, we tapped into it. Shit, can you see how gold behaves, bro? Now we want a change of character. Okay, I retrace up and I'll buy and I'll short it. Right there. I think another one, please induce another one. Right there. So if this high, but I'll short it. Right there, I'll short this thing. Put my stop above there. Target these lows. In fact, let me actually prove my stop and then open, risk, place. Yeah, I knew market was gonna come there. Let's see. And the market is clever. It knows people want us so short now. So what it do? It finna delay your move, so that when you finally lose hope, that's when it's gonna come and nudge you out. Boom, taken out. So it's like it's moving to this buy side, yeah. Wow. So let's pause right there for a second. Let's reflect on this. Can you see that my initial trading thoughts were correct, these ones? But what was wrong about them is that what was wrong is not to realize that we first has to we have sell side resting below that first. The sell side. And when sell side got taken out, boom, we retrace back into this order block here. This news event probably just shot news down into that and shot back up. And here we nudged into buy side, so that's indication we want to go higher. Retracement. So I've learned something. First, I've learned to go with the trend as it was going down. So I should have been going short more often than not, and you see this change of character to the sell side. You should have taken that as a sign. Now, can I sort of like predict where we at right now in the market? It's gonna be tough. But let's see where this low wouldn't take that one. I'll take this one. Map it out to that one. Right there. So what I'm saying is we're in the sell side. And as much as I want to be, we're in the sell side. So I think let me go short one more time. Go short here. Increase that stop. Put it up there. And go long. Targeting these lows. Open position. And I'll short again. Place trade. Tagged in. Now we're going with the trend because we believe our trend is going down. Boom, boom. Any retracement? Let's wait for the retracement. There's a few value gap out there. Took out that low. Okay, wait for another retracement. You see our market quickly shot to the downside because the market knew, bruh. The market knew what it wants to do. Now it's sort of ranging for us to retrace back further. Okay, the market is clearly ranging. Shot to the downside, shooting to the downside, it's almost there. So I would close this trade right here. I'm out. I wanna see the market running into this weekly low. Okay, that's the first change in character. A retracement, and then we go long again. Alright. I think that's worth it. Where my stop would be. Stop would be like there. Because I'd rather put a big stop run and target the highs. Open. Place. Getting murdered here. getting murdered. Boom, I got murdered. So clearly what happened, yeah, I fought the trend. I know this is a low and that's been broken down. So hi. You live and you learn, bro. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Now it's quite interesting because the fact that I can see this is an all-time low. It held once, but the last time it held, it was tapped into, right? It was tapped into. But this time, it's got sell side risk, so it's just about to tap into it. Then rally up, so yeah, this is a sell. So anything that retraces above, I must sell. Like that. Retracement, put my stop above there. And go short with the market, targeting the retracement side. Expect maybe another turtle soup there. Okay, we've already made a lower low, so so gold can range if it wants to. But yeah, guys, so that's it. So how much have we lost today? Let's check out the calculator. Yeah, let's see. You saw I took a couple of L's, like 4 L's. So account was on now 4,800. It's supposed to be 50,000 minus account balance 48,668. That's 1,200 divided by 50,000 times 100. That's a 2.6% loss. So we clearly far away from a daily loss of $5,000. So which it was so bad. We did take out, but can you see? We're still bullish. We still have the prop firm account, and we can still recover from that. So recovery will be the fact that you start risking 0.35% per trade up until you get confident, and then you start risking 0.7%. But otherwise, I'll continue this series another day. Otherwise, it's been your boy, Dubex. Shout out, please do subscribe, and please also learn from my mistakes. Whilst you're watching the charts, when I'm replaying there, you could also look back. You saw my higher time frame analysis was quite correct. We are going short, like I said, but I wanted us. I didn't appreciate what the market gave me. The market gave me a nice selling opportunity, but I wanted to go more in premium to sell, which is not always the case, guys. So take what you have and appreciate it. So cheers, guys.